Alright, so we're supposed to be getting a blizzard tonight, so we're gonna go record some fun shit.
It's gonna be a time.
It's gonna be fun. But this Tyler, he's being a bit of a dick. He doesn't want to come with us, so we're gonna get him.
His house is right here.
His house is right over there.
We're gonna go in there and get his dumb ass.
Yeah, he's gonna come have fun with us. Whether he likes it or not. Alright, we got Tyler. And it's starting to snow, but we have to pick up one more ditch monkey before we can start doing some fun stuff. We need Ryan.
Dumb fuck isn't even on the phone.
I don't give a shit. It's on you, and you're pretty.
Oh fuck! I'm gonna die.
So
I can't talk.
there's Tyler. He's back there looking handsome. Look at him wave. Isn't he cute?
Horsey.
So we're gonna get Ryan now. Oh, there we go.
Squirrel.
So another update. It's snowing like a cocksucker outside. Now we're gonna give Isaac a call. And hopefully he'll come hang out with us too, because the more the merrier. Isn't that right, Matt?
Si, senor.
Can't even fucking see you.
What's this? Oh, why would you?
So irritating when people are going so slow. Like a little bit of snow on the ground will never hurt you. But like, what are we doing here? We're doing. Where's your thing? 40 kilometers an hour. That's not okay. Look, we can't even pass him. There's a car up there.
No. Oh yes, we can. Oh yes, we can.
You know what? You know what? You got it right here. Oh, God forbid, slow down. You might fucking put it in the ditch. Jesus Christ. Look.
Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys.
Let's throw her in the ditch. That'd make good footage.
Hey, man.
Yeah, we got Isaac.
Yeah.
What's up, Isaac?
Where's Ryan?
Oh, fuck Ryan.
Fuck Ryan.
He's in town.
Yeah, go for it. Dad's not home.
Alright. It's a beautiful day.
The lighting's not very good here in Snapchat.
It's funny as fuck. Handbrake turn. Whee! There you go. There's a guy over there.
Right up there to the left. Look, he's
He's doing
doing
the same thing. Here, I'll show him up. Alright boys, we just met this guy that we're gonna take back to the other parking lot with us. There's a guy there that told us that we shouldn't be drifting, we had to go somewhere else to do it. So we're gonna go there and do it there instead.
Yes! Yes! Dude, let's fucking go!
Oh, this guy's gonna be pissed.
Oh my god! This is sick, dude! This is awesome! There's no fucking...
No way, there's another guy! This guy's pissed! This guy's so pissed! He's so pissed! Look at him!
There is no fucking way! Oh, man.
We got him pissed off.
Yeah?
He's just pointing. That's a big track. I don't know. Not right fast, just fast enough.
He's just mad he can't sled around the town's track.
Probably.
That's what he's pissed about.
Oh, is he coming?
He came out doing it with us.
I think he's coming.
Fucking awesome.
I don't think he is coming.
I don't think he's coming either.
Hold on.
Oh, we're gonna make him come. Oh, make him come for us. Come on.
Keep coming, don't stop, don't stop. Oh, fucking good up, boys.
Oh, that was a big dirty one. There he is.
Put the window down.
Please
Oh, here we go.
Please yell, please yell, please yell.
Record it. Turn that on.
Again, this is the last time I tell you, next time I call the cops.
All right, go for it.
You got it.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks.
I said go for it.
I love that. It's like, I'm calling the cops.
We're not-
Go for it.
Did you get that, man? Did you get me saying go for it?
What are they gonna do?
I don't know.
Did that was.
See ya.
Good old rear wheel drive.
All right, boys. So that was quite the fucking adventure. We're still here. He's not gonna call the cops, which I find hilarious.
Do you think we should make them?
I don't know about that, but
You know what? I think we've got
we got
quite a
some
lot
good
today.
shit here, boys.
We did get away with quite a bit,
yeah.
didn't we? Yeah.
Another warning, boys.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Fuck. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So I guess we're pushing the limits of our luck today, I suppose.
Back up there, pal. I don't care. Here we go.
Probably about time to leave, isn't it?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, let him get the cops called on him.
That was sick. Oh, you still got it on the camera.
Let's go get warm on the mall first.
We're walking the tell them what we're doing, Colton.
I don't know. You tell them what we're doing. What are we doing?
Boys, we're walking in the mall at close time. This should be people
We're gonna see Matt's girlfriend.
Sorry, people.
There she is. There she is. What's up, Justine?
We got some good shit. A guy told us he was gonna call the cops.
Yeah, can I get a
said,
Boston
okay,
cream
go
donut, please? No, but
They're just funny.
Where's the...
That's Paul Blart Welfare. One time I hit him in the head with the roller in the bathroom.
a lot of allergic to peaches.
He was like, he kept his foot there to hold, like, so the door wouldn't hit him in the face, but I opened it so hard and fast that it hit him in the face anyway.
That's my one. That's just me.
She's gonna get a raise.
She is gonna get a raise.
What is that?
What?
What I did wrong.
What'd you do wrong?
Yeah.
Wow. A&W supervisor screwed up, gone wrong.
I can't believe they play this on the radio here.
Yeah, that's fucked.
It's not song.
Colton, get in it.
I'm getting in it.
So far behind. Oh, pro drifts. Oh!
That was your fault. You shouldn't have got out. You fucking.
Oh, fireworks on the ground.
We're just about to climb shit like monkeys, so let's get it.
Right here.
Matt just ate shit and I missed it. God damn it. Underground park.
I was gonna bring my flashlight too, I forgot. This place is about 3 stories or 4, and we're gonna try to get up to the roof.
All right. So we're up here at the top.
Police station.
Right there's the police station.
Let's go over this.
So yeah, we're gonna come over here to this side. Well, this is fun. Now what?
Whoa! Fell down elevator shafts in an abandoned old building while it's snowing. Yeah.
Oh man, somebody should have went on the roof while we were in there. That's natural. Really weird.
Hi guys.
Hey, we had a question for you.
Go ahead.
So,
Some guy just came up here and asked me if this deal was four-wheel drive, so your question better be better than that.
That's a stupid question.
but sliding
That
around
is
in
a
like the
stupid
snow in
question.
parking lots, is that illegal?
What?
Like sliding around the snow in parking lots?
Yeah, it's a ticket. Don't do it.
Is it?
Even if it's
What's
like
a
empty?
ticket?
Like, it's $200 for being fucking stupid.
Okay.
Is that what you write on the ticket? Oh.
That's what you should write on it, though.
What?
I think that's what you should write it on it, though.
I could. could, but then I'd be probably written up.
Yeah, you'd get in trouble then. Alright guys, thanks for watching that sick video of us drifting around in the snow. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a big dab on that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and come back next time. We'll see you then. Peace out.